Special series for Rajasthan District Court at the speed of 100 words per minute. Dictation start within 5 seconds. Start. A total 4 to 118 candidates applied in response to the advertisement, but only 27776 candidates appeared in the preliminary examination. Of them, only 3290 candidates were declared eligible for the main examination. Stop. The respondents immediately after conducting the preliminary examination on 31st March 2019 published the model answer key of the question paper on 1st April 2019 with nothing that if any candidate has any objection regarding correctness of any of the answer, he/she should upload the same of the official website of the Rajasthan High Court between 4th April 2019 and 13th April 2019 by entering his application ID and date of birth. Stop. According to the respondent, a total number of 2910 objection against 86 model answers were received. Stop. 58 out of them pertained to the law papers of civil and criminal, whereas 30 and 15 were pertaining to the language papers of English proficiency and Hindi proficiency, respectively. Stop. All the objections were placed before the examination committee, which in its discretion constituted a committee comprising two honorable judges of this court, with the subject experts of each subject, namely law, English and Hindi subjects, having vast experience in their respective fields to consider the objection. Stop. The expert committee, after examining the matter, meticulously disposed of all the objections in its meeting held on 3 May 2019. Stop. It submitted 3 separate reports of law, English and Hindi subjects, thereby sustaining objection in regard to 5 questions and rejecting other objections in respect of all other questions. Stop. We have here learned counsel for the parties and persuade the material on record. Stop. Contention of learned counsel for the petitioners is that deletion of 5 questions has diminished the chances of the candidate who diligently prepared for the examination and marked the correct answer to the question. Even in a case where there are multiple correct options, deletion of the questions would only work to the advantage of those who have chosen wrong answers, thereby putting the candidate who have attempted the correct answer in a disadvantageous position. Stop. The appropriate course, even in the case of multiple correct answers, would be to award marks to each of those candidates who selected any one of correct answer, including with regard to question number A/50, where the option within bracket 2 is correct answer in English language and option within bracket 1 is correct answer in Hindi language. Stop. It is argued that the expert committee ought not to have given vague and unclear opinion. Stop. It is opinion in respect of 5 deleted questions was that either questions be deleted or any other appropriate decision which is in the interest of the examinees may be taken. The best decision in the interest of examinees would have been to award marks to all the candidates who choose any one of the correct answers. The decision of the respondent to delete the question is therefore arbitrary, unreasonable, and is liable to be set aside. Stop. learned counsel for the petitioners have also submitted that in view of the discrepancies found in number of questions answers, this court should appoint a fresh expert committee, as was done by the Supreme Court in Richel versus Rajasthan Public Service Commission and others within bracket 2018 8 SSC 81 in regard to requirement to the post of school lecturers stop. In fact, a division bench of this court in special appeal within bracket writ number 1092 oblique 2015 Pankaj Oswal and others versus Rahul Kumar Meherwal and another decided wide judgment dated 14th May 2018 stop